Hello, Danny Parker here, General Manager at Kia of Lexington. We're here with Keith Delatorre. Keith, what do you do here for us?
I'm the courtesy vehicle advisor here at the dealer.
Okay, and what does a courtesy vehicle advisor do?
I manage the fleet of around 60 cars to make sure that our service customers, when they come in, I get them transportation if the car has to be here overnight.
Great. So, yeah, Keith keeps our customers on the road and not in our service waiting area. So thank you very much, Keith.
You're very welcome.
Okay, we're in the shop here with Ryan. Ryan, what do you do for us here at Kia of Lexington?
I'm the shop foreman. I keep everything rolling in the back, try to keep customer promise times on track and make sure we have as little issues as possible, get everything done right the first time, and keep everything rolling.
That's great news. Yeah, Ryan gets a second set of eyes on cars and makes sure that they go out right the first time.
Yep.
Thanks, Ryan.
No problem. Thank you.
We're here in the service lane at Kia of Lexington with Alicia Adair. Alicia, what is your role here?
My role here is I serve as the customer satisfaction manager of the dealership, making sure that we bring smiles to every one of our guests' face whenever they leave this dealership. We're here to make sure everyone feels appreciated, feels taken care of, and most importantly, that we resolve issues too.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Alicia.
Absolutely.
Come to Kia of Lexington and meet Alicia. She takes care of all of our customers.